everyone, I am your friend Sarthak, and in today's video we are going to discuss about chemical reactions. So what is a chemical reaction? When two or more substances chemically react with each other, it is called chemical reaction. In other words, in a chemical reaction, the chemical properties of reactants change almost completely, and in a chemical reaction, the chemical properties of the reactants are completely different from the chemical properties of the product. Now we will have a look at some of the examples of chemical reaction from our day-to-day life. They include rusting of iron, burning of candles, cooking of food, digestion of food in our stomach, and fermentation of grapes. Now we are going to discuss about chemical equations. So what is a chemical equation? It is easy. Chemical equation is symbolic representation of a chemical reaction. We are going to understand it in a better way with the help of an example. For example, reaction of magnesium with oxygen to form magnesium oxide can also be written as Mg plus O2 after reaction becomes magnesium oxide. And this is how chemical equation of any chemical reaction is written. But there is a flaw. Number of oxygen atoms on the LHS is 2 while number of oxygen atoms on the RHS is only 1. Now you might ask, wait, what? What do you mean? Well, here is what I want to say. This equation right now is unbalanced because one atom of magnesium can only react with one atom of oxygen. So what happens with the remaining atom of oxygen? Since in a chemical reaction, matter can neither be created nor be destroyed. So in order to balance this equation, we introduce another magnesium molecule, thus reacting with the remaining oxygen to form another molecule of magnesium oxide and balancing our equation. Now you might be thinking, how can we write this in form of equation? Well, don't worry, I am going to tell you in this video. So we first of all put 2 in front of the magnesium on the LHS, thus reacting with all 2 atoms of oxygen and forming 2 molecules of magnesium oxide. And this is what we call balancing a chemical equation, and it is as simple as that. Now we will have a look at another example where hydrogen gas reacts with oxygen gas to form water. But this is unbalanced since on the LHS there are 2 atoms of oxygen while on the RHS there is only 1 atom of oxygen. But before balancing this equation, we will have to know what happens during the chemical reaction. So during the chemical reaction, 2 atoms of hydrogen gas react with 1 atom of oxygen to form 1 molecule of water. And since matter can neither be created nor be destroyed in a chemical reaction, instead of removing the last atom of oxygen, we introduce 2 more atoms of hydrogen gas which will react with the remaining oxygen atom to form another molecule of water. And this way our chemical reaction is balanced. Now back to the chemical equation. In order to balance this equation, we will need 1 more molecule of hydrogen gas. So we will add 2 in front of the hydrogen molecule on the LHS, thus reacting with all 2 atoms of oxygen and forming 2 molecules of water. In this way, this equation is balanced as well. And that's it for this video. If you learned something new today, then make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel with the bell notification on, and I will see you guys in the next one.